It's gonna be a fun day. All right, here we are, folks, with the famous David Rotenberger here from Canada, and we are going up to see the Hollywood sign and have a good time. Ain't that right?
That's right. Springs.
I have no
There's
idea.
no water there. It's a desert.
Yeah, so crazy, huh? Here we are, folks, out in the wilderness, getting some exercise. Way up there by the tower is Hollywood sign. So it's quite a ways still. And down this way, Miracle Mile. Over there, the skyscraper high rises. Okay, so getting closer to the Hollywood sign. And down there, Hollywood, Miracle Mile. Way out there is Century City. Is the Hollywood sign up by the tower. Me and Dave are still on this trip here. Dave is definitely winning so far because I'm having to take a lot of breaks.
Almost the downtown.
Yeah, almost. Right out that way, downtown, and Koreatown over there. Way out there, Long Beach, Miracle Mile, Hollywood, at the bottom of the hill there. And we're getting closer, as you can see the tower up that way.
Fellas, do you want to do your thing?
Oh, thanks.
Chateau.
Oh, are you doing a... Oh, you brought a tripod. Cool.
Yeah. That most of it. I'm telling you, mate, no matter what country I'm in, they're always on me. Always sucking.
We take you to Cambodia, you won't come back with
No, I don't. I'll be bedridden within a day.
All right, here we are, downtown in the background with David there. And we're getting really close to the sign. It's gonna be cool. There it is, folks, Hollywood sign. Getting closer. Okay, found another good spot for downtown. Right over here. So as you have seen, or maybe have seen in other videos of me at Griffith Park, is on the other side of that part of the mountain over there.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I want to do it. It's like so many things, right?
Yeah.
And not enough money to do everything.
Oh, I agree, man. Well, we made it, folks, or at least closer to the Hollywood sign right there. Within reach. Not quite sure, maybe 200 to 300 feet, maybe more. This is cool. So I hiked up here all the way from the bottom of the hill there.
I wish I could see whatever's cooling in these things. Can't see it.
There it is, folks. There's a little house over there. There it is, downtown. All the way over there. Some cool homes over here, if I don't fall to my death. Right there. It's a cool one. All right, folks, Hollywood sign. Found another really nice spot here. My friend David Rodenberger having a good time here in Los Angeles. First time, right, dude?
Right.
Awesome. There it is. Good close-up shot there. Here we are, quite the hike up here. Here we are, the new dynamic duo, the Hollywood Express, right here. David Rodenberger and Scott McClure, Hollywood Express. Coming to WWE real soon.
That's all I can do, right?
Yeah, that's all you need, you know.
The
Like-
location isn't ideal. All right, doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, it's all good.
Okay.
Unless you don't want to be on there, but sometimes I put music if like the person doesn't agree that they want to be talking on there. But oh, there's the sign again. That's cool.
Oh, there it is.
Taking a stroll down at the bottom of the Hollywood sign in the neighborhood here. All right, walking down the hill, and it's a nice neighborhood for sure. That's nice right there.
Are you sure you don't know who Lee Aaron is?
I
think
might if I
mentioned it
see
once
them.
To you. I think I mentioned it to you in the past.
If I
met
see
her
them, I'm
last
bad
summer.
with names.
She's a heavy metal singer from the 80s, but she still performs. Right now, she just does concerts in the summer so her kids can go with her.
Look at that. Little trolley.
So let's find a place to catch another Uber down to.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Do you know the proximity of In-N-Out Burger from Amoeba? I mean, I couldn't find
Yeah.
it last night. Is it close? It's close, right?
Yeah. Here we are at TCL Chinese Theater, formerly known as Grauman's Chinese Theater. Hanging out here in Hollywood on Hollywood Boulevard with David Rodenberger. There's the Roosevelt. All the cool handprints here. Eddie Murphy, Nicolas Cage. Let's see what we got over here. Michael Jackson right here. There it is.
There's shadow, isn't there?
Yeah, dude. Dun, 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 dun. All right, here we are. Judy Garland.
Well, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was in the front, but I guess I was a little off. Amoeba music. Fun place to be. Pantages over there. It's a cool place. I saw Alice Cooper over there. Here we are.
It started here, man.
I know, right? Same. I have no clue. Yeah, I heard that Dave Grohl likes to shop in here. That's pretty cool. Oh, love Journey.
So do I.
And Black Sabbath.